In this channel, we cover many budget mics for streaming and any other content from budget-friendly and more expensive, but many people have been using wireless small mics that actually does give you a more flexibility for your project or even to live stream. That in today's video, we're going to take a look on the Comica BoomX D2 wireless microphone and lavalier. And the sound that you are hearing right now is from the BoomX D2 from Comica. Right here, I'm using the lavalier connected to a transmitter. And this is a raw sound that you listen to right now for this microphone without any noise gate. So you may hear some background noise through this video, but I also am gonna throw on this video some setting that I'm connecting to the GOLXR and some of the post-process on DaVinci Resolve as well. So you have an idea that you can also enhance and EQ this microphone lavalier in any software that you wanna use for your videos, for YouTube or for anything else. Or also if you have a GOLXR, you also can use with the GOLXR and also EQ over there. And you're gonna see through this video some of these samples, so you can also hear the difference from raw sound to something that you can enhance a little bit more. Hello and welcome. So the Comica BoomX D2 wireless microphone is selling at this time of this recording from $109 to $139 on Amazon with some good discount as well. This mic is selling in different combinations, as you can see, and depending on the combination is a different price. The Comica BoomX D2 is a more budget wireless mic from Comica, but for the price you get in that, it is a lot of stuff that comes inside as well. It comes in a nice hard case. The inside you will find a couple things as well, like a 3-to-1 USB-A to USB-C charging cable, two 3.5mm lavalier microphone, one 3.5mm TRS to TRRS audio cable, one 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable, and two wing dead cat for the transmitter mic, and two transmitter and one receiver. The transmitter and receiver are very light, made by a hard plastic with some input for a lavalier microphone, then have a little hole that can lock the lavalier, a button to power off and mute, another button to pair the transmitter, and a USB-C port to charge the transmitter. Now on the receiver you have an output for real-time monitoring, an output jack to connect it to your camera and any other device that uses 3.5mm jack, a power button that also allows you to change the mono to stereo and safety mode, and two buttons A and B that can control the volume of each transmitter. Also, both the transmitters and receiver have a clip that does also fits pretty well on a cold shoe mount of your camera or cell phone. The Comica BoomX D2 uses a 2.4G Wi-Fi, does offer a simple display of the transmitter showing the volume, the Wi-Fi signal, the mic icon battery indicator, and on the display of the receiver shows as well the battery indicator, but shows both transmitter volume meters with the volume on decibels and also the mode that you are using. It's a very simple display with essential functions. Only thing I noticed is that the volume meters do show with a little delay, but I suggest you not to rely on a transmitter or receiver volume display, but on the device that you plug it in your receiver. Now there are three modes to record: stereo, mono, and safety. Mono and stereo is self-explained, but the safety means that you will record a second channel with a -6 decibel in case your audio is speaking. That way you won't lose your audio record. And talk about audio recording, the broadcasting quality audio is 48 kHz 16 bit. So if you are using this outside and need to be away from the receiver, the distance is claimed to be up to 200 meters. I have not tested in this video the distance, but I believe for most people that is not gonna be an issue. With so many great features on this microphone, there is some important features that for some will be a deal breaker, which you will be needed to expend more money to get, which is the ability to record audio on the unit itself. The Comica BoomX D2 does not offer that capability, only on the Pro model does have that capability. But as I said, you will need to add a couple more dollars to get this feature. Now, another important thing to mention is that for some, the size of this case and lack of charging also on the case could also be an issue for some. With so many options out there that come in a small case and able to charge right in, the Comica BoomX D2 not only have a bigger case, which I know for some won't be a problem, but also no way to charge inside while inside the case. You will need to take it out and charge like this, which could be inconvenient for some people. All right, so right now you're hearing this microphone here, basically with the microphone inside the transmitter. This is how it sounds. This is basically raw with no EQ anything. If you can hear and notice that when I speak onto this microphone right here like this, you're gonna see some explosive as well. So always be careful, and I suggest always use that can come with the microphone for that reason. Now you're hearing with the DaVinci Resolve Studio EQ, holding the microphone in this position, the same way it was before. So this is how it's gonna sound with the EQ on the DaVinci Resolve if you choose to post-process in your editing software. Overall, for me, this price for the quality and flexibility, those issues was not a problem for me at all. I think it's a very well unit wireless microphone kit that anyone of is starting in this route, getting a mic, wireless mic for your content will be very useful. For sure, I would recommend that for those that wanted to get a good set of microphones for any project. I will definitely recommend this microphone. If you wanted to check any more videos on our channel, click on one of those videos up here. And thank you so much for coming and watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.